Are you an engineering student looking for new job opportunities, or you are an engineering professionals who is looking for career growth and development, or you are an engineering professional working on complex projects with tight deadlines and high work pressure? Well, I have a solution for all your engineering problems. The solution is ChatGPT. Well, ChatGPT is, everyone is talking about it, everyone is using it, but they haven't explored its potential to the fullest. ChatGPT can be worked in your own favor. How to use it? Hi everyone, I am Sandeep Tripathi, co-founder and CEO of Your Engineer, a centralized platform for engineering students, professionals and recruiters. And I am excited to show you that how ChatGPT can transform your life and your career. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a game-changing language learning model which can enhance your capability of career development, enhance your capability for networking, and it can also make you more efficient, more productive in your own work. That work can be related to any type of engineering sector. It can be related to IT sector, defense sector, security sector, cyber security, automation, robotics, banking, finance, you name the sector and ChatGPT can help you with it. I am hosting a workshop on ChatGPT for engineers, transform your life and transform your career, at the platform of Your Engineer. Join this workshop and don't miss this opportunity. In this workshop, you can explore the possibilities that can be created by ChatGPT and you can reach a new heights in the engineering. So don't miss this opportunity and meet me there at the workshop. Register for the upcoming session and let's meet you there.